That was a bit rough. R2 Creek Regional Park. Farm to farm transfer today. This is the non-public entry, so don't be stupid and come down here. There's plenty of tight corners and shit in here. Steep hills. All the good shit. Where your diff locks in, just in case. Give yourself the best chance in this sort of scenario. Not bad coming in empty, but coming out loaded with these sharp little pinches, you gotta be ready. It's where these autos are not good on their own. They're bloody always in the wrong gear for this stuff. I usually drive this in manual all day anyway, just habit really. I just don't like some of the shit the autos do, just with our roads and whatnot. Never know what they're gonna do, but each to their own. Oh, someone taking out the railing. Looks like it. We won't be doing that. Easy. Definitely not the best driveway to meet another truck on, that's for sure. Good thing there are no trucks down here usually, apart from me. Pretty cool though, fucking hell. Love it. It's always fun dodging trees in this kind of driveway. I have lights along the top that seem to get fucking destroyed all the time, so and they're about 40 bucks each, so it's not very fun. Another typical New Zealand day. It was raining just before. Now she's sunny. not sure what this is. Obviously it's a courtyard house, but like, do they rent it out or what? Because fuck, it's huge. Not sure what the goes is there. But look at the size of it. It's fucking like 2 truck and trailers long. Truck driver fucking measurement system. Crack up. This ramp's fun as well. Sitting over there facing up towards that driveway there, gateway. But it's just like you can't get off any of this metal here because you're going down, boy. All the way to the axles. I'll see if I can get it in a few tries. Never have really, but remember right, you gotta hug this grass over here. Oh, you know, so you fucked that up big time. This never used to be here, so it's quite handy, I reckon. Still gonna make a bit of a mess though. Sorry, dudes. Start it again. Not sure if that's right. Fuck, that'll do me, I reckon. Maybe change it a bit. Easy fix. Just like that. Any second now. That's it.